Good morning children. In this class we are going to start our new chapter, that is data handling. In this data handling we are going to do some outcomes. What we are going to learn in this data handling? Yes. Means data and what is mean, what is median, what is mode, and also what is bar graphs, and what is double bar graphs, and also pie chart. These are very important in this data handling. How these data, mean, median, mode, bar graphs, double bar graphs, pie chart, how these are going to be done, everything we are going to learn in this chapter. Okay? First, what is data? Nana, before going to start explanation, everyone start writing in your classwork also. What I am writing on the board, you have to write down. Means these are learning outcomes, Nana. Learning outcomes. These are learning outcomes. These are outcomes we are going to learn in this lesson, in this chapter. Okay? Now, I am writing the definition of data. Okay? Data. Information which is in the form of numbers. Information which is in the form of numbers or words and helps in taking decision or drawing conclusion is called data. This everyone write in your classwork. Again, conclusion is data. Tables and graphs are the ways in which data is presented. Tables and graphs are the ways in which data is represented. The numerical entries in the data is called observation. The numerical entries in the data are called observation. Yes, see, data means information. The information which is in the form of numbers or words at the help of taking decision or drawing conclusion is called data. Means collection of all the words, numbers, and or not only numbers and words. It may be a drawing or conclusion, whatever the tables, it may be a graphs. Nana, here mean, median, mode, bar graphs, double bar graphs, not only the tables and the pie charts or anything. Whatever numerical entries, whatever the data is observed, that is nothing but data. Okay? How this means now data, what the information is going to be carried from each and every table. or graph or a pie chart or a table or a numerical expressions or whatever words, numbers, whatever it may be, the collection of numbers, words, tables or a drawing or a conclusion, whatever it may be, it is nothing but a data. It is nothing but a data. Understood everyone? Now, we learn the mean. Did everyone complete that? Yes. Yes. Now, what is mean? Mean can be called the arithmetic mean. What is mean by the definition of mean? The average or arithmetic mean, arithmetic mean or mean. Nana, mean can be called, mean can be used in the form of the average or arithmetic mean or a mean. What is a mean? What is arithmetic mean? Sum of all observations. Sum of all observations. Sum of all the data or sum of all observations by number of observations. Number of observation. Yes, sum of all observations and number of observations is nothing but arithmetic problem. And also to know more easily, I'm going to solve some problems on arithmetic also. Now try to complete this definition. Everyone write in your classwork. Yes. Yes, everyone completed. Now start doing sums. Shall we do some of the problems on based on me? Yes. Now arithmetic mean, based on this, now I'm going to solve some problems. Okay. Now here there are given some of the problems, Nana. Based on this we are going to find out. Now first one, maximum day, time, temperature of Hyderabad in a week, that is from 26th February to 4th March, that is 2012. Are recorded at 26 degrees, 27 degrees, 30 degrees and 30 degrees. See from this what is the maximum temperature of the week and what is the average temperature of the week they are asking. Now average, nothing but it is a mean. Yes. Now from exercise 1, that is first problem. Yes. First problem. So now from this we are going to do some of the maximum problems. Yes. Maximum temperature and also average temperature we are going to find in a week. What is the given data? Nana? Given. What is the given data? Here the given data is 26 degrees and 27 degrees and 30 degrees and 30 degrees centigrade, 32 degrees centigrade, 33 degrees centigrade and 32 degrees centigrade. 32 degrees centigrade. Now here 26, 27, 30, 30 and 32, 33 and 32. Here from this we have to identify which is maximum temperature. This is the given data, Nana. From this we are going to find the first point. We are going to find the maximum temperature. Yes. First one. Maximum temperature. here. What is the maximum temperature from these? 26 or 27, 30, 30 or 33. What is maximum temperature? 33 degrees centigrade. From the given data, we have to observe which is greater in the given temperature. Hence, which is maximum temperature. So, from this we are going to, now they are said to find the average. We have already learned average means it is nothing but arithmetic mean or a mean. Yes, it is nothing but arithmetic mean or mean. Average means, yes, average. Arithmetic mean formula are, it is mean by arithmetic or mean. Yes, mean. What is that? Sum of all observations. Sum of all observations. Sum of all observations by number of observations. Number of observations. Means observations nothing but data. We have already learned. Yes, we have done the definition also. Sum of all observations. How many observations are there? We have to write here sum. That means we have to add these all observations. At the same time, number of observations means how many observations are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 observations. So, 26. See, I am going to continue on the continue on the top. 26 plus 27 plus 30 plus 30 plus 32 plus 33 plus 30. Yes. Now here number of observations 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Total 7. Yes. Now sum. We have to add this all. Yes. 6 plus 7, 13. 13 plus 2, 15. 18, 20. Yes. 0, 2, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. Yes. 221 by 7. Now do the cancellation. 7 ones are 7 threes are. Yes. What is the data we have to observe? What is the average we got? 30 is the 30 degrees. The average temperature. The average temperature. The average temperature. The average temperature is 30 degrees centigrade. Yes, understood? What about the given data? We have to write that. Afterwards, we have to observe. Data and observations are same. Don't be confused, okay? Data and observations are same. So, if they say what are the observations you observe and what is the data they given, it is equal. So, whatever the sum of all observations means whatever the observations have given, whatever the data it is given, we have to note. That is sum. Means we have to add. So, number of observations. How many observations are? How many data they have given? We have to add. Total we have to keep it down. So, after adding we are going to get to 10. After that 7 and we have to go divide by the given table 30 degrees. The average temperature is 30 degrees. Understood? Everyone copy? We do some more problems on mean. Okay? We do some more problems on mean. And rice consumed in school under a mid. And let us see some second exercise 1, second one. Okay? Share up the board now. See. Now exercise 1, second problem. Based on arithmetic mean. Based on arithmetic mean. Based on arithmetic mean, we are going to do some problems. Yes. Now rice consumed 16.500, 14.700, 17.700. Yes, these are the data we have observed. From this data, find the average of rice consumption for the given files. Already they have given 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Total observations 5. So we have to do the average by given data files. So what is the mean value? Arithmetic mean or average? Average equal to sum of all observations, by number of all observations, sum of all observations by number of all observations. Yes. Now what is the total they have given? 15.750, 14.850 and 16.500 and 14.700 and 17.700. This is the given data. Yes, for this sum they have to do, they said to add the sum. So give the plus. Now number of observations 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, when you are going to add these 15.750, 14.850 and 16.500, 14.700 and 17.700. Yes, 0, 10. Yes, 14, 15, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 34. Yes, 4 plus 17, 17, 27, 20, 29, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 79.500. Yes. Yes. Now 79.500. It is divided by 5. 5 ones are. How many left? 2. 29. 5 fours are 20. 5 fives are 25. 25. More 4 left. Here 45. 5 nines are 45. So what is the answer we are going to get? What is the average of rice consumption? 15.900 kg. The rice average of rice, the average rice consumption per files. Yes, per files. Yes, everyone copy. Completed everyone? Yes. Understood? No. This is another problem we are going to do. Now here. Now we are the number of passengers and the remaining sums are same. We have to give the total and we have to divide by given total. Sum of number of observations by number of observations. Third one also same. And also now coming to the fourth one. Here the number of passengers are given. It is traveling in a PSRTC bus from Adilabad to Nirmal. So in 4 trips in a day, how many? 39, 30, 45, 54. What is the occupancy ratio? We have to find now. So total passengers in a travel and number of days also we have to divide by using what? Mean only. So given data. What is given data? What is the given data? The passengers traveled in 4 days. Passengers traveled in 4 days equals to how much? Days. 39, 30, 45 and 50. Yes, 39, 30, 45, 44. So now they are saying to find the average of a given occupancy. So how many? Sum of observations, sum of travelers, passengers, sum of passengers by number of days. Yes, number of days how much? 4. And 39 plus 13 plus 45 plus 54. Yes, 39 plus 30 and 44. So 168 by 4. 4 ones are 4 4s are 4 2s are. How many days? So 42. The occupancy ratio of the bus. The occupancy ratio of the bus of the day is 40. Yes, understood. Passengers traveled in 4 days, that is 39, 30, 45, 54. So average equals to sum of observations, sum of passengers, how many given? 39, 30, 45, 54. So number of days. So these are the, we are going to add 468 by 4 by 42. Yes, 40. Yes, understood how much ratio it is identified? 42. Okay, try to fast.